Welcome back guys, welcome back to BitByte Crypto. So today I am going to talk about ImToken campaign, which is Learn and Earn campaign number 6, where you can earn NFTs on Arbitrum chain, and also you can participate in the 5000 USDC pool about learning Ethereum merge. So I will share all the details how you can participate in this and which way you can get the roles and collect the NFTs in this video. If you are new into this channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Twitter for latest update. Let's begin our video. So first of all, this Learn and Earn 6 campaign is all about Ethereum merge. We will learn about Ethereum merge and we will answer some quiz, and after completing quiz we will get our NFTs from Galaxy Learn and Earn ImToken 6 campaign. So let's take a look into the details of the Learn and Earn campaign from ImToken. So in here you can see earn NFTs and 5000 USDC for learning about Ethereum merge. So this is the title, and in here you can see activity period is from 27th September to 16 October. So we have time till 16 October to complete these quizzes and collect NFT. How you can participate in this? You can answer the quizzes, and after scoring 80 points or more than that, you will be eligible for collecting NFTs. So you need to score 80 points or more than that, then you will collect NFTs from Galaxy. From here you can collect the NFTs. After collecting all the NFTs, you can participate in two pools like lottery pool 1. In here you need at least 7 NFTs because there is total of 8 quizzes. So after completing every quizzes you will get 1 NFT. So if you complete 8 quizzes, then you will collect 8 NFTs. After collecting 7 NFTs, you will get the role from ImToken Discord server or guild. You will participate in this reward pool or lottery pool automatically. Participating in the lottery pool 2, where is 3000 USDC is the prize pool. In here you need at least or total of 8 NFTs to participate in this, and after collecting 8 NFTs from this campaign, you will get Learn and Earn 6 Pro role from their ImToken Discord. Then you will be automatically participate in the lottery pool 2, where 3000 USDC will be distributed among the winners. So this is the details about ImToken Learn and Earn campaign 6. So let's look into the quizzes. So here you can see these are the quizzes. Like first quiz is about Ethereum and open source platform, then Stones staking as a service. So these are the title and the quizzes you need to complete. There is total of 8 quizzes we need to complete. So for every quizzes you can click on enter. After clicking enter, then this page will appear or this form will appear. Then you need to just click on start. After clicking on start, it will load this page, and in here you need to answer these quizzes. So every one of you will get the answers from our Telegram channel, because I already shared all the answer of these 8 quizzes. So make sure you joined our Telegram channel because you will get all the answers from there. So here you can see I posted this images with all the details. I will put the link in the description box, so click that link and join our Telegram channel and you will get all the answers. So maybe this one, okay, no, not this one, let me check. So this one is the answer for Ethereum and open source platform for devs. If we zoom in, we can see the answers. Like first answer is Ethereum mainnet went live in 2013, then all of the above. So like this you will get all the answers for every quizzes from our Telegram channel. So join our Telegram channel and collect all the answers and then submit all the answers like this. Okay, and you will select. After selecting all the answers in here, just submit your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you have the same MetaMask wallet because you need to connect the wallet in Galaxy to claim all the NFTs. So make sure you submit the right wallet address in here. So just submit your wallet address and then read this campaign, click on submit. That's it. That's how you will submit all the quizzes for this ImToken campaign. In this way you can complete all these 7 quizzes. For the last quiz, in here you need to do some swap or transaction on Ethereum chain. For example, if I click on start, in here you can see here is 2 tasks we need to do. like swap ETH for ST ETH on Uniswap or Curve within ImToken. To collect 80 or more in this campaign or in this quiz, you need to do some swap using your wallet in ImToken. So you can swap ETH to ST ETH in Uniswap using ImToken wallet and then put the transaction hash in here. Also, you need to stake it in the Lido staking pool or Rocket pool. I will suggest you Lido staking pool where you can stake lower amount, but there is a fixed amount for Rocket pool. Like for Rocket pool, there is 0.01 Ethereum need to be staked. So just use Lido pool to stake your ETH and click on here stake it and then put the transaction hash in here and then submit your wallet address and read this and submit. You can just complete these 7 quizzes and collect your NFTs and participate in the lottery pool 1, or you can complete this last quiz and collect 8 NFTs to participate in the lottery pool 2. So in this way you will complete all the quizzes from ImToken campaign. After completing all these 8 quizzes or 7 quizzes, and you can head over to Galaxy campaign page. Link will be in the description box, so check that out. From here you can collect the NFTs. Like I already collected 6 NFTs and there is 2 more because the next snapshot will be taken more probably 11th October because last update was 4th October 2022. So I am waiting for the next snapshot so I can claim this 2 more NFTs and participate in the Learn and Earn lottery pool. After completing those quizzes, you can visit Galaxy and connect your wallet, switch into Arbitum and make sure you have some Ethereum on your Arbitum wallet. You can just buy from FTX exchange. Link will be also in the description box, and from there you can withdraw minimum of $5 or less than that in your Arbitum wallet or Ethereum wallet. So make sure you are on Arbitum mainnet and connected your wallet. When the next snapshot is taken, and then click on claim button, pay the transaction fee, and you will claim the NFTs in Arbitum mainnet or Arbitum wallet. So in this way you will claim all your NFTs. After collecting all the NFTs from Galaxy, you need to join the Discord server of ImToken. Also link will be in the description box. Click that link and join ImToken Discord server. Here you can see, get yourself verified for the Discord server, and then you should head over to this category like Learn and Earn 6 and verify role. In here you can click on join ImToken. If it's the first time for you, just click on join ImToken, or you can click on this link which will redirect to this website. In here you need to connect your wallet and then you can get the roles from here. Like if I click on connect, select MetaMask or any other wallet. If you are connecting your wallet for the first time, then you need to approve that. Scroll down, and in here if you click on roll in, you can click join guild. After collecting 7 NFTs, you will get the Learn and Earn 6 role. As I don't have the 7 NFTs, so I can't get this. In here you can see requirement to qualify, own at least 7 NFTs. So you need at least 7 NFTs to get this role, and at least or total of 8 NFTs for this role. So after collecting all the NFTs, click on here and you can click on join guild and you will get the role. In this way you will automatically participate in the 2 lottery pool. Like if you have 7 NFTs, you will automatically participate in the lottery pool 1, and for 8 NFTs you will automatically participate in the lottery pool 2. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like this video. Make sure you join our Telegram channel and group. Also make sure you follow us on Twitter as well as subscribe to our channel for awesome content like this. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay safe. Bye bye.